Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Office Records app that you have, and it's pretty self-explanatory. This is where you'll file all of your Office records. So whether that's receipts, settlements, rate confirmations, bill of ladings, any type of documents that you want to have on file, you'll be able to add them here, and you'll have access to them wherever you are. So I'll just take you into what was added. Uh, I guess not that recently, but we have an air dryer support for the truck, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put in the name, you'll categorize it, you'll add the equipment or whatever, put a date on it, the amount, and then you can add pictures or files. So let's say we wanted to add a new entry. Just like I said, you put in the title, you'll give it a category. You can reference a load. So if it's like a bill of lading or a rate confirmation, you'll want to reference the load. If it's maintenance, you can reference the equipment. You can reference any contacts that you have, whether it's brokerage companies, shipping, receiving, or brokers, dispatchers, accounting, whatever the case may be. If it's pertaining to the driver, you can add the driver. If you want to reference a weekly report, monthly report, um, all these different things you can put in here. Dates, amounts. If it's like a settlement, you can add the driver pay in here. And then you can expose some fields, you can hide some fields. And that is how you add office records. So again, you can filter based on categories. So if I just wanted to see all of my rate confirmations, I'll just filter for rate confirmations, and then it'll pull up all of the rate confirmations here. Same thing with bill of ladings, and you also have your views over here on the side, which will also allow you to categorize and look through documents as well. So you have all your bill of ladings. And that is an overview of your Office Records app. Thanks for watching.